In this particular video of LinkedIn marketing course, we are going to talk about the best way to get followers on your LinkedIn business page. So if you have already created your business page, now you want to get some quality followers on your LinkedIn business page. So this is the video for you. In the previous videos, we have shown you how to make good connections, how to create your LinkedIn profile page and business page and all. We have told you already these things. Now in this video, I'm going to give you the pure quality strategies that you can follow in order to gain some quality followers. So let's start with the first one, which is optimize your page. Yes guys, so I've already shown you how to optimize your business page. If you don't know how you can optimize your page, you can watch our previous videos in this LinkedIn marketing course playlist itself. And once you are done with the first step, then you can go further and try the other strategies in order to create good reputation in the market, basically in the social media platform, and gain some followers, right? This is the first step and the basic step which you have to follow. Then the second step is consistency. Yes guys, consistency is the key. People always say quality is the king, quality is the only important thing that you need to think. But the thing is, quality is important. Definitely quality is important. But with quality, you need consistency on these social media platforms. If you are not consistent enough, then your quality content will not going to grow, not will gonna grow. So keep two things in mind. You are creating quality content, and the second thing is consistency. It is not that you have to create two posts or three posts on a daily basis. No, this is not the consistency. You have to maintain a regular time interval of your posting, right? Let's say you are posting one post in every 2 days, which means 30 in 30 days you'll be posting 15 posts, right? And if you are following this consistency, so you have to maintain this consistency for maybe a 6 month or for maybe a 1 year, right? But you have to follow the consistency. Or if you're, let's say you are posting on a regular post basis, it means every single day you are posting one content, so you have to follow that consistency. So whatever the time interval you have set for your postings, follow that time interval. This is the main mantra of growing your followers: consistency. Now let's talk about the third point or the third strategy, which is visual content. Yes guys, now these days in social media, visual content is the king, you can say, because day by day the attention span of our audience is drastically going down and they don't want to read the written content. So what you can do is you can feed them your visual content, be it is video, be it is image, graphic, or any gif, or any 2D animation, 3D animation. You can use those visual content to grow your audience on LinkedIn business page, right? I'm not saying to remove the written content from your posting strategies 100%. No, it is not like that. You have to do some mix and match. I'm just asking you to minimize the written content, basically minimize the text content, right? And try to increase the visual content in your content strategy, right? Now the fourth point is, or the fourth strategy is, be relevant. So you have to be relevant every time. Let's say you are, or your business is works in digital marketing industry, so you have to create the content, you have to do posting on a relevant content which are relevant to your audience, which are relevant to your niche, right? Because if the audience can't relate with your content, then definitely you are not going to grow, right? So keep this thing is in also your notebook, that you have to be relevant every time. Whenever you are posting any content, think once that how relevant is this content is with my audience, right? Now the fifth point is, be engaging. Now what is the meaning of engaging? Basically, on social media you get some comments, you get some messages from your followers. So what you have to do, your task is to answer those comments, your task is to engage on those conversations. If someone is messaging you personally, your task or your responsibility is to answer those messages, right? So this is how you can be engaged with your audience, and gradually your number of audience will also grow and your social media platform will also grow, right? So be engaging and don't just post and ghost, right? Now the sixth point is be flexible. Now what is the meaning of flexible? See, on our every platform, with whether it is Facebook, whether it is Instagram or LinkedIn, every social media platform provides you analytics, that how you are doing, what type of content is working for you, or which type of content is not working for you at all. So you have to evaluate those data points on a regular basis, I mean maybe once a week, right? So after analyzing those data, you have to take these decisions. You don't have to be stick with any particular type of content. You have to be flexible this time, right? You have to change the content strategy if it is needed. So this is what the flexible means, right? Now the seventh point is company assets. Yes, this is also a good point. Every team has a, sorry, every company has a team, every company has a employees, right? Now whenever you are creating your business page, the initial audience can be your employees only or your team only, right? And if they starts getting engaged with the content, if they follows your profile, I mean the LinkedIn page, and starts getting engaged with the post and comment on those posts, like those posts, share those posts, definitely you are going to grow. Because if those initial audience is showing some love to your content, definitely your account or your, I mean your LinkedIn page is going to grow, right? So don't hesitate to ask your employees to follow your page or to support your page, right? After all, it is their page as well. Then the eighth point is customers and brand advocates. Now let's say you are creating your LinkedIn page for the first time and you are a running business who have some customer base. It means you already have some customers whom you can ask to support your page on LinkedIn. So basically this is for the companies or the brands who already have running business and already have some customers, so that whenever you are creating your LinkedIn business page, they'll be follow your page, they'll be get engaged with your content, and definitely your content or your LinkedIn page is going to grow gradually, right? So this is also one of the strategies which you can follow if your brand is already doing any business and you are creating a new LinkedIn page, right? Now the ninth point is industry leaders and influential people. Yes, you can take help from industry leaders as well. If you have created some good connections, good contacts, definitely you can help and ask for the favor as well. There's no any embarrassment to ask for a small favor, right? Now how they can promote your business or promote your LinkedIn page, basically they can mention your business page on their account, and if they have good influence on their audience, definitely you're going to get some quality followers from their side as well. So this is also one strategy which you can follow if you have good connections and good contacts, right? Now the ninth point is collaborate. Collaboration is also a rising game these days. People are collaborating with their peers, partners, even sometimes with their competitors as well. So you can also collaborate on your level. If you have 1,000 followers, then definitely you can collaborate who have 1,000 or 1,500 followers. If you have 1 lakh followers, definitely you can collaborate with the people or with the business who have maybe 80,000 followers or maybe 1,50,000 followers, right? You have to ask them so that the conversation can be started, and at the end definitely you will convince them to collaborate with your business, right? So this is the thing which you can apply to your business. Now the 11th point is competitors. Always analyze your competitors pages. Yes, so when you analyze your competitors page, you get the content idea or the different kind of insights which you might haven't think about that, right? So there's a high chance that you'll get some good ideas from your competitors page as well. After this, we have hashtags. Always use right and trending hashtags only. Yes, don't use any irrelevant hashtag. Don't use the hashtags which are not trending yet. So you have to do a research about these hashtags a little bit so that you can find out the best hashtags which are trending and perfectly relevant for your business, right? Then we do have the 13th point, which is cover page. Yes, cover page is very important because whenever the follower or the audience who are visiting your page, if they don't see the decoration properly, they might don't follow you and fly away. So decorate your page, the entrance of your page properly, and which is your cover page and your profile pictures, and some few details as you can see here, right? So keep these things properly intact and relevant to your business. And as I have mentioned here, cover page only. So make a quality and world class cover page which can elevate your business looks and branding, right? So cover page is also an important factor in increasing your follower base. Then after this, we do have the 14 point, which is run contests, quizzes, and giveaways. Yes, as a business, you can run contests on a regular basis, quizzes, giveaways, so that people can engage with your content or engage with your LinkedIn page. And gradually, these things will help you to gain some followers. And these followers will be the totally quality followers and active followers, right? Because they are actively engaging with your contests, quizzes, and giveaways, right? And after 14 point, we do have the last point, which is 15, but this is not the free one. We have already told you the 14 strategies which are totally free, but this one is the paid option. Because if you think that you need growth a little bit faster, so that you can go with this paid option, and that is LinkedIn follower ads. Yes, you can run follower ads on LinkedIn as well, but obviously you have to pay for it. It is not free, right? And this is going to help you to get some quality followers in minimum time compared to the organic methods. Yes, because organic methods takes a bit more time, but it's not like that organic methods doesn't work. If you follow those strategies, if you follow those organic strategies properly, definitely you are going to grow gradually, right? With that said, I hope you like the video, I hope you like the content. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this course and playlist with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing, right? So with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.